Thanks so much for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm Allison Rodriguez. Expect breezy to windy conditions today. We have a few fire weather alerts going on across Arizona as well, and the temperatures are going to be dropping. And this is why we've got a low moving in here, a cool system really moving over through the next 24 to 36 hours, because that's going to be pretty much gone by the weekend. But we can enjoy some windy conditions and some cooler temperatures along with this one if you like the breezes a little bit. Now, if you're here in the valley and down in southeastern Arizona, expect those winds not to be too bad, but gusts could be between 25 to 30 miles an hour. Now up in northern Arizona, that's when we're expecting those windiest conditions. Here we're going to see those gusts potentially up to 40 miles an hour, so just be extra careful if your travels are going to take you through these areas. We also have red flag warnings going on for most of eastern Arizona, but everything you see there shaded in pink, that is pretty much going to be in effect all day today. That will expire about 7 o'clock tonight. Now here's a look at when you can expect those strongest winds. As we look at futurecast winds here, we'll take it to about 6 o'clock tonight, and that's when we're still going to continue to see those gusty and breezy conditions all across mostly northern Arizona, but we will see that in definitely spots like the valley. Now by tomorrow morning, things die down a little bit, so the mornings will stay pretty calm as far as the winds are concerned. But look what happens as I take this into the afternoon and into the evening. Once again, expecting breezy to windy conditions across much of northeastern and eastern Arizona, so just expect that if you're going to be doing any weekend traveling. Tomorrow evening, we are going to see those winds pick up. Saturday morning, things die down again. Now, here's the thing with this low system, also bringing us kind of an up and down with the temperatures. Now, today reaching upper 90s when average temperatures is about mid 90s. So tomorrow we're going to fall a degree below that before we rebound right back up on Saturday and warmer temps into Sunday. The system not bringing us any rain chances, though. We are still staying very dry for the next 7 days. And here's something, if you're going to be outside a lot over the next 24 hours, just know that our air quality moderate because of ozone. Valley highs today will be topping out pretty close to normal, which is 95. We'll hit 96 in Mesa, 95 in Scottsdale, 96 in Glendale, 98, so a little bit warmer there in Laveen, and 97 in Goodyear. Across the state, up north, we'll see nice temperatures in spots like Payson in the upper 70s, low 80s in Sedona, low 70s in Flagstaff, and 70s along the rest of the rim there, with the warmest temperatures down here in southwestern Arizona. Now forecast lows will drop into the 60s for most of us down in southwestern Arizona, and we'll see 50s up to the north of us. Here in the valley, those morning lows aren't going to be too bad either. They'll be pretty mild, dropping down into the mid 60s, not even a lot of 50s going on there. So as I leave you with a look at that 7-day forecast, you'll see that up and down for the next couple days, a warm weekend on tap, and then breezes once again next week.